Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Vlogmas day 6, I believe. And I'm not even gonna lie, I'm running out of ideas and I just don't know what to post. So I think we're just gonna do like a story time on what happened to my stepmom's car that costed them so much money, like a ridiculous amount. But before we get started, it saves me. So on the same day that I posted the video about getting that 2025 Ford Explorer was the same day that this car decided to just kind of clunk out. So what happened was when my stepmom was driving, a bunch of like warnings popped up on the screen and it was like failure this, failure that, like this isn't working, check this out, maintenance that. And so, and it was acting super like clunkish and just not like it should, as it's literally a year old. It's a hybrid. And so once she got home, she called the dealership and she took it in right away. Or wait, actually it was like 4 days after because they weren't available. And so once she took it in and they looked at it, and then that's when we got that black car as the rental car. And come to find out, the transmission went out already. And it's only a year old. Like, it's not old, like it's a new car. So that was just super frustrating. That it costed like thousands. I don't even know how much, but. And so they had the car for 2.5 weeks, I believe, maybe 3, while they replaced the transmission. And then once it was done, they picked this car back up and then we gave their rental back. But yeah, my parents are just super frustrated because this is not a cheap car. Like, it's, I don't even know, 60,000, something like that. And then spent more on a transmission that's already new. Like, the car only has 20,000 miles. So if you know anything about cars, you know that's like nothing. My parents' like debate is, if this car's already gonna have that big of an issue at only a year old, what other issues is it gonna come? Because like, she loves the car, like it's a nice car. And she likes the color. She really likes this blue and the black interior. I'm like, it has a lot of features. It has the heated and cool seats. I mean, it has all the good features. It's not like a cheap car or whatever. But my parents are stuck between like just getting a new car, just not a Ford Explorer, because their other Explorer, they also had issues, but they thought if they upgraded and got like a new version of it, it would avoid that. But clearly not. Like, it's a nice, clean car. You guys have any suggestions on like good like family vehicles, preferably an SUV with like all-wheel drive that'll get us through the winter? Please leave that, let me know in the comments, because I think she's looking at like a Chevy Traverse, but she doesn't really know yet because those are kind of more expensive. And she likes the hybrid version because it gets better gas. And we know Toyota also makes a hybrid, but it doesn't have to be hybrid. I'm just saying that's what this is. She likes the gas on it. So comment below what car your mom or dad has and if they like it or not. It will help us out decide. When I mean us, I mean my parents, obviously, because I'm not buying them a $60,000 car. And please give me ideas on Vlogmas. Like, I'm actually like stressed and worried because I'm so busy this weekend, but I need to post on Vlogmas. I don't want to quit on you guys. I mean, since we've got it back, it's been acting fine. Like, it acts normal, but it's just the thought that they had to spend more money to fix a brand new car. You know what? Please tell me you hear that. It's like, whoa. Just start it up again. I don't know what that is. I don't know if we want to know, to be honest. It just sucks. Well, I think that's where I'm going to end it off. Sorry, it's a short video. I'm just running out of ideas. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for tomorrow's video and the day after and the day after. It has started again. See you tomorrow. Bye.